In this video, we will discuss the capabilities of the Auto Draw Cladding option in ETABS. Let's get started. The intent of model cladding is to facilitate application of auto wind loads based on exposure of shell objects. The cladding consists of shell objects with the none section property that are added around the outermost perimeter of the structure. The cladding objects have no self-weight or structural properties. Once we draw the cladding, we'll select them and then go to the Assign Shell Loads Wind Pressure Coefficients command, and I'll show you how to apply them to the structure. So first, we'll go to Draw, Auto Draw Cladding. You'll see three options that are available: use of floors, use of beams, or the use of columns. You could also click the Use Selected Options Only button with any of these three options. Let me show you how this works. First, we'll click on the Use Floors. When this radio button is selected, the program detects the edge of all floor objects and draws vertical shell objects with the none section property. You can see on the right side of the screen all of the cladding around the structure has been added. Next, let's click on the Use Beams. When the radio button is selected, the program detects the outermost beams in the building structure and draws vertical shell objects with the none section property. So why don't we select a few different beams, then go to Draw Auto Cladding. This time we'll click Use Beams and Use Selected Objects Only. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the cladding has been put around the beams that were selected. Next, let's use the Use Columns options. As you can see here on the left-hand side, I've selected a few columns where I want the cladding to be administered. We'll go back to Draw Auto Cladding. This time we'll select Use Columns, Use Selected Objects Only. And again, you can see the cladding has been applied. Now, if I'd like to apply some wind pressure coefficients, I'd select the interested cladding shell objects. Click on Assign, Shell Loads, Wind Pressure Coefficient. Here you have the wind load pattern name as well as the coefficient, and you can select the specific direction, whether it be windward or leeward.